Welcome to Simple Screen Service, your trusted pool and patio screen enclosure, maintenance, and installation company. We understand the importance of a well-maintained patio and pool area for your home. At Simple Screen Service, we specialize in providing high-quality pool and patio screen services. Our team is dedicated to ensuring that your outdoor space is not only beautiful but also safe and functional. We take pride in our ability to offer solutions that meet your specific needs and preferences. Our services range from installation of new screens to maintenance and repairs of existing ones. We use top-notch materials and advanced techniques to ensure the durability and longevity of your screens. We understand that every home is unique, and so are your needs. That's why we tailor our services to fit your specific requirements. We know that dealing with screen issues can be frustrating. That's why we strive to make the process as smooth and stress-free as possible for you. Our team is always ready to answer your questions and guide you through the process. We are committed to providing you with the best customer service experience. Choose Simple Screen Service for all your pool and patio screen needs. Let us help you create an outdoor space that you can enjoy for years to come. We look forward to serving you and helping you make the most of your home.